Hello all, myself Ankush from Bangalore. I was launched in the business by Lakshmi Narasimhan and Swati, my upline platinum Sakumar Sharda. I graduated from the bootcamp of March month. My score was 85. Today I would like to share my views on the research of three conventional businesses which I did. Uh, Talking about the approach first, yes, I was very hesitant to go and approach and ask about their business because many people, I have not seen them to open up with me, and it was little awkward, but I had to get myself going to overcome my fear, and this was my the driving factor of how I did this. I started conversations with initially with a restaurant guy, so I ordered a meal. The meanwhile it got prepared, I just started asking about his family, about how his job is going. Is he paid enough? Is he does he want to become a owner of this business if he gets a chance, or if he gets enough capital? um, he opened up a lot with me for his business, about his family, and also approached me that can I get a business somewhere, or opportunity somewhere. uh, I think the framework, what I did in this, the first conventional business research, the framework helped me, and the same thing I followed for other two also. Second was for my relative's business, which is of wood and furniture. uh, same same framework, but a different set of questions helped me to tackle the questions and answers, and I got the results from that. Third again was a restaurant, and I used the same set of questions with the same framework. Again, it helped me out to yield the result what I wanted. So doing these three researches, and currently where I see myself in the business right now, there's quite a lot difference. The first I must say is the investment, the first investment, the initial investment what we do for our businesses. So in these businesses, there have to have some cost, and which is little higher uh, for a lower middle class man like me to start it off. uh, and second was the mentorship. Mentorship was something, it was uh, I saw a lack where you just have to do the same work every day and you just finish it and go home, but there was nothing how you can excel in your particular field of work or the skills what you wanted. My learnings from this assignment, maybe I can say my two pillars are, first is how we approach. The approach should be in such a way that the person in front of us, he doesn't feel uncomfortable. And second was the framework. What questions are you going to derive, and what results are you going to derive from the questions what you asked. So thank you for letting me speak on this opportunity. All the best.